It's okay.
They are pretty big. That was wild. I was not expecting that.
Hi, Stacy, fairy owlet mother. We're in Escondido, California today, extracting 2 baby owlets out of a nest. The homeowners did a fabulous job helping supplement food for them, but the mom has been gone for 4 days and they really don't have a chance of survival without the mom at this age. They were born on May 23rd, and now we're gonna head over to Project Wildlife where they'll be well taken care of. We're at Project Wildlife. We're dropping off these 2 little baby owlets. They're going to a very safe place. We'll update you later. Thank you.